Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be fixing up this Cox GP9 locomotive. It's a low-nose GP9. It literally says GP9 on the end of the box, so don't go thinking this is a GP20. I made that mistake. Yeah, first video in a while, guys. I'm sorry I've been kind of gone for a while. Just trust me, I do have some videos in the works, though, so we're starting with this. So anyway, let's get it out of the box. This is what I assume to be a fake railroad, or I should say a fiction railroad. Big Pine Lumber Co. Don't know too much about it. All I know is that it came in a set, and you can go look that up yourself. I'm not going to put a picture up because I'm not sure if it'll be copyrighted or not. And I also got the caboose for it. But anyway, we'll check that out later. Let's get right into the restoration, shall we? Well folks, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I had a lot of fun fixing up this GP9 by Cox. It's my first engine by them, so yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I will get that other horn sorted out at some point. I'm not exactly sure when, but I will. And yeah, that's going to be it, guys. So thank you all so much for watching, and take care.